Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
All right. Any doubts from the last class? Okay. So today we are going to discuss vectors. Again, a very easy chapter. You can score 4 marks on this. So let me give you a quick revision, then we'll solve questions. The first important thing here is dot product. All right. Dot product is very simple. If you have a vector 3 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 5 k cap and b vector is 4 I cap minus 3 j cap minus 5 k cap, then a dot b is just multiply the coefficients of I 12 minus 12 minus 25. The answer is minus 25. Dot product is a scalar. All right. I dot I equals to j dot j equals to k dot k equals to 1. I dot j equals to j dot k equals to k dot I is equals to 0. All right. And formula for this is mod A mod B cos theta. So from here we can write cos theta equal A dot B upon mod A mod B. Right, we can use modulus also. This means angle between vectors. Whenever you see questions written as angle between something as this, then always use this formula. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So dot product is very simple. If anybody wants to note it down, you can do that. Take screenshot, whatever you find easy.
Done, sir.
Okay. Cross product. A cross B is mod A mod B sine theta n cap. Right. N cap is a vector, the unit vector in the direction perpendicular both A and B. Extremely important. Whenever you see a question which says a vector which is perpendicular to two vectors, any vector that is given as perpendicular to two given vectors, always find using this. A cross B is always perpendicular to both A and B. All right. Whenever you see a question that reads as perpendicular to two vectors, then you have to use cross product. All right. A cross B is always perpendicular to A and B. All right. Two properties of this: A cross B is equals to negative times B cross A. Direction is opposite. Magnitude remains same. Direction becomes opposite. All right. Can anyone tell me what will be the answer of this? A cross B dot A.
Mod A square cross A dot B.
Okay. Think again. Do not try to find the magnitude. Just think what this represents. Then you will get the answer very easily. Like this is the tricks that is used in competitive exams. You know dot product, cross product, everything. They just give you this and you will be confused. Start with this. What is A cross B? What do you get after doing A cross B?
Unit vector perpendicular to both of them.
A and B, right? So let me write A cross B is C vector. So I know C is perpendicular to A and B. So if I take C dot A, then what will be the answer?
0.
0. Absolutely correct. Is everyone clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So all of you, please try to develop this thinking method, that you do not always have to use the formulas. A cross B is a vector which is perpendicular to A and B. Then if you take dot with A, this will always be 0. All right. So how they are going to use this? They are going to give a question, give A, B, and tell find the value of this. You can easily find the value in 2 seconds. All right. In vector form, if A vector is A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, B vector is B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. Then A cross B is determinant I, j, and k, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. And everyone knows how to open the determinant. You can take a screenshot.
Done, sir.
Okay. I cross I equals to j cross j equals to k cross k. What is the value of this? Use the formula, find this. Mod I sine theta n cap. What will you get?
0.
0.
0. Absolutely correct. So remember, if you do cross product with the same vectors, then the answer will always be a null vector. All right, and cross product gives you a vector. So same way, if I do I cross j, then this gives you k cap. If you do j cross k, this gives you I cap. If you do k cross I, this gives you j cap. If you invert the orders, j cross I, this will be minus k cap. If you do k cross j, this will be minus I. If you do I cross k, this will be minus j. Ij, k, jk, I, ki, j. All right, clockwise direction. Everything is positive. You can take a screenshot.
Done, sir.
Okay. area of parallelogram if two sides are a vector and b vector. Then area equals to half a cross b. All right, this is area of triangle. All right, area of parallelogram ABCD equals to a cross b. Note down the formula. You do not have to know the derivation. Done. And remember, you have to know the adjacent sides.
Done, sir.
Okay. So this is all covered in CBSE also. Something new which they might ask in JEE, which is scalar triple product. Looks very complex, but it is not. Very simple. If you do A dot B cross C, scalar triple product. All right. Read it in the inverse order. Product, post product, triple product. That means three vectors are multiplied. Scalar triple product means the result is always a scalar. Why so? B cross C will be a vector. Then if you do a dot product with A, the result will be a scalar. This is called scalar triple product. Very simple. How to solve this? Very simple. Find B cross C using determinant. Then take dot product. You will get the answer. No need to do very complex things. All right, just do cross product, then take dot with A. All right.
Yes, sir.
This is also written as ABC box. Okay. One property about this, ABC will be equals to BCA will be equals to CAB. All right. If you move it cyclically, ABC, BCA, CAB, then all the box products will be equal. But if you change the order, ABC then BAC, then you have to use a negative sign. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you multiply a constant here, then constant outside, this will be equals to ABC. What else? Okay, this property A plus B, C and D. Suppose you have this, then this thing you can write ACD plus BCD. one important thing, if three vectors are coplanar, then ABC will be equals to 0. This is the condition of coplanarity. All right. Take a screenshot.
Done, sir.
Why, if three vectors are coplanar, then box is 0? If all three are coplanar and I'm using this, then again I gave you this question already. B cross C will be a vector which is perpendicular to this plane containing ABC. All right.
Yes, sir.
Then if you take dot product with a vector which is in the same plane, then the result will always be 0.
Yes.
Right. All right. One more thing. If two vectors are same in box, AAB or BBC same, this will also be 0. If two vectors become equal, then the answer is 0. Same derivation for this. A cross B will be a vector perpendicular to A, so A dot C will be 0. Okay, let me give you one question. The questions are very easy in JEE main vectors. So I hope you can solve this under 2 minutes. All right, they have given mod A equals to 2, mod B equals to 5, A cross B mod equals to 8. Then you have to find mod A dot B. Okay, 2 minutes for this. And this question is from JEE Mains 2021. Absolutely correct, Marita. Good speed. Absolutely correct, Priya. Correct answer, Krishna. Okay. Here they have given A cross B mod equals to 8. This implies that I can write this as mod A mod B sine theta and cap mod equals to 8. And unit vector modulus is 1. So this is simply mod A mod B sine theta equals to 8. Alright, you can use plus minus, remove this modulus. So mod A is 2, mod B is 5, so 8 upon 10. This is 4 by 5. So I hope you are all physics students, right? So if you are physics student, you already know sine theta is 4 by 5, so cos theta will be 3 by 5. Using that triangle, they're asking A dot B mod. This is mod A mod B cos theta mod. So mod A is 2, mod B is 5, cos theta is 3 by 5. The answer is 6. All right. Another question. Uh, First, let's projection of B on A, and this is B dot A upon mod A. Remember this projection on A, so you will divide with A. Take dot, divide with A. If they are asking projection on B, then divide with B. All right, this is also class 12. Nothing new. One question on this. Let A vector equals to I plus J plus K. B vector and C vector equals to J minus K cap B3 vectors such that A cross B equals to C vector and A dot B equals to 1. If projection vector of B on A cross C is L, then 3L square is done. Alright, no options for you. Let me give you 1, 2, 3, and 4. Try to solve it. 2 minutes for this also. We have given A vector is I plus J plus K, B and B vector, C vector is J and K. There are 3 vectors such that A cross B is given as C vector and A dot B is given as 1. If projection of B on A cross C is L, then find 3L square. Solve it, anyone? See, what they are asking, projection vector of B on this. So what will we write this? B dot A cross C divided by A cross C mod equals to L, right? Everyone, Krishna, Priya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So always start with this, what they are asking. So what we have to find is numerator and denominator. We can see A and C is given, right? So what we can do? We can find the denominator very easily. All that is left is finding the numerator. For that, they might have given something. They have given this, that A cross B equals to C vector. Now this is scalar triple product or not? Numerator.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we know this is BAC. So can I write this as minus of ABC?
Yes, sir.
And if I use modulus, then this negative will not be relevant. So ABC
Yes.
means A cross B dot C. We already have A cross B. So I can take dot. So A cross B, taking a dot C both sides. So this is modulus C square. So finally ABC we get mod C square. C vector is already given. J minus K. So modulus is root 2. Root 2 square is 2. All right.
So shouldn't
Yes.
ABC be written as A into B cross C? A dot B cross C?
No, I told you, see, you can interchange, right? You can write this as A, B cross C, then CBA, CAB, what you can write? C dot A cross B, right? The
Yes,
order
sir.
is not important, and because we are using modulus, then negative is also irrelevant. All right, Krishna?
Okay, sir.
So this is 2. So numerator is 2. You can find A cross C using determinant, then find the value of L. You can get the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you cannot think of this, then what you have to do, you have to assume a vector B, then do this, you'll get the value of B. Then you have to find projection and you have to find this. That will be very lengthy. Always remember, in JEE mains, questions will not be very lengthy. You just have to know what you have to find. All right, so what we did, we started with the end, what they have asked. Then I thought, what do I need to find this value? I saw this is scalar triple product. And they have given something like that. From that, I found the value of this. The question was solved. All right, never go into the lengthy format. All right, but if you cannot solve, then why not? Answer is an answer, no matter which method you use. I hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
So let me give you another question. Absolutely correct answer, Marita. Let A vector, B vector, and C vector be 3 unit vectors such that mod A minus mod B square plus A vector minus B vector mod square plus A vector minus C vector mod square equals to 8. Then A vector plus 2B vector square plus A vector plus 2C vector square is equals to dash. All right, please find the answer. 2 minutes for this. Again, the options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Question is clear, all of you?
So the second term of the equation, A vector minus C vector, it is right?
Yes, A vector minus C vector. All right, this is JEE Main 2020 question. Correct answer, Priya. Very good. You guys try to solve it on your own. If I tell you the answer, you will feel you understood. But in the next question, you'll again be stuck. Well, I think what you need to find the answer. Always start with the end. If you cannot solve a question, then start with the end. What they are asking this. If you are not able to understand anything, then simply think what you can do with this. Something plus something whole square plus something whole square. All right, let's see. They are saying A, B, and C be three unit vectors. Unit vectors means A, B, and C modulus is 1. This is already given. No, Marita, not 26. Let's see. What they're asking? They're asking this. So mod A plus 2B vector whole square plus A vector plus 2C whole square. I can open this. This is mod A square plus 2B mod square plus 2 times A dot 2B. And this is mod A square plus 2C mod square plus 2 times A plus 2C. So mod A square plus 4 mod B square plus 4 A dot B plus mod A square plus 4 mod C square plus 4 A dot C. So this is A square plus A square 2A square, which is 2, because mod A square is already given as 1. 4B square is 4 plus 4C square is 4. What remains? 4. I can take common, then A dot B plus A dot C. This you have to find. Everything else we already have. This is 2 plus 4, 6 plus 10 plus 4 times A dot B plus A dot C. All you have to find is this value. For this, they have given you something. From here, I can say this is A square plus A square, 2 mod A square plus B square and plus C square from here and minus 2AB minus 2AC. And this is equals to 8. So this is 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4. Minus 2 I can take common. A dot B plus A dot C equals to 8. So A dot B plus A dot C will be equals to, this is 4 but minus 2. So if this is minus 2 and this is minus 8, so the answer is 2. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? Krishna?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Ryan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Always start with what they're asking. If you are confused, always try to find what is not there by the given data. The calculation should be neat and clean, and you'll get the answer very easily. Let's try another question. Let A and B be two orthogonal unit vectors. Orthogonal means perpendicular. And C is a vector such that C cross B equals to A minus C. Then mod C is equals to option A is 1, option B is root 2, option C is 1 upon root 2, D is 2. All right. Correct answer, Marita. Very good. Whenever they give you equations like this in 12th also CBSE, all you have to do is square both sides. All right, square both sides, see what you get. All right, I'll give you 2 more minutes for everyone else. You have to find the answer. All right, let's see. If I square both sides, then this will be what will be this and this? Can anyone tell me? This will be mod C mod B sine theta whole square, and this is mod A square plus mod C square minus 2A dot C. All right, we know this is these are all unit vectors A and B. Then this thing we know 1, this thing we know as 1, but we have to find sine theta and A dot C. So what else we have? We again have this C cross B equals to A minus C. So suppose I take dot product with B. So what I will get from this? C cross B dot B equals to A minus C dot B. Who can tell me what is this? LHS C cross B dot B?
0.
0, absolutely correct. So this is A dot B minus C dot B. And what is A dot B?
0.
0, because they are saying they are orthogonal. So what I get from this is C dot B equals to 0. That means cos theta equals to 0. That means theta equals to 90 degrees. So sin theta will be 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So all that is left is to find the value of A dot C. I'm audible, guys? Everyone? Or the
Yes, sir.
background noise is all right. So again we have C cross B equals to A minus C. Can we take dot product with C? What will have C cross B dot C, which is equals to A dot C minus C square. Again this is 0. So A dot C we get as mod C square. We can use this value in this equation. So what we'll have is mod C square mod B square sin theta is 1 equals to 1 plus mod C square minus 2 times mod C square. Mod B is also 1. So mod C square equals to 1 minus mod C square. So 2 mod C square equals to 1. So mod C equals to 1 upon root 2. Everyone clear about this?
So can you repeat that last two steps?
Last two, all right. This we got from this equation. From here, we know sin theta is 1. So mod C square, mod B square on the LHS, mod B square is also 1. So on the LHS, all we have is mod C square, right, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
And in this side, mod A square is 1 plus mod C square is mod C square minus A dot C we found as mod C square.
Yes, sir.
So what it is 2 mod C square. So this is the step. All right.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So simplifying, we got the answer. Okay.
So if we do the dot product with A at first, and then we use triple product.
Sorry, your voice is very low. Can you be a bit
So
louder?
if we do the dot product with A in the beginning and then use triple product, is that right?
Okay. Let me see the method you are saying. We have given us C cross B equals to A minus C. You want to do take dot product with A, right?
Yes.
So okay. After this,
So using triple product, can we take C outside and do it as B cross A?
okay. But then you have to take a negative sign also, right? Because the order is not the same. ABC, BCA, and CAB are equal. But here CBA is written, right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So you have to take a negative outside, then you can use. No worries.
Okay, sir.
All right. Always look for the order. Order should not change.
Yes, sir.
Let's see another question. Just 1 minute. Okay. Let A and B vector are two vectors such that mod A equals to 2, mod B equals to 3, A dot B equals to 4. If C vector equals to 3A cross B minus 4B vector, then mod C is equal to dash. All right. Let me give you one hint for this. Remember, A cross B whole square. If I do, then this is A square, B square, sine square theta, right?
Yes, sir.
So what this is, I can rewrite this as A square, B square, sine square theta. I can rewrite as 1 minus cos square theta. If we open this brackets, this is A square, B square minus A square, B square, cos square theta. So again, I can rewrite this as A square, B square minus A dot B whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Always
sir.
remember A cross B can be used as this without knowing the angle. All right. So now you can solve this. Please find the answer. Krishna, the answer is not 6. Please check the calculation again. Let's see what we have here. C vector equals to 3a cross b minus 4b. If I square both sides, then mod c square equals to this square 3a cross b mod square plus 16 mod b square minus 8 3a cross b dot b. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone? All right. Now let's look at this closely. This is a cross b dot b. So this is simply 0. Scalar triple product. A cross b dot b. So this is 0. Now here I can take 3 outside. So this is 9 a cross b square plus 16 b square. A cross b square, I can write this. So 9 a square mod b square minus a dot b square plus 16 mod b square. Now you have all the value. Mod a is 2, mod b is 3, a dot b is 4. So 9, this is 4, and this is 9 minus 16 plus 16 into this is 3 square is 9. All right.
Yes, sir.
So we can take 9 common. 16 plus 16 is 0. So this is 36. Mod c square is this. So mod c is 3 into 6, which is 18. Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how to calculate this fast? You have to be good at calculation also, right? If you multiply, then subtract, then multiply this, then add, that becomes lengthy. You can just take 9 common. 16 plus 16 is 0. So 36, take under root. You do not have to multiply anything. This is how we save time. Next question. Okay. If A, B, and C are unit vectors such that A dot B equals to 0 equals to A dot C, and the angle between B and C is pi by 3, then find the value of A cross B minus A cross C mod. All right. Think about this question. This is a good question. Let's see how to solve this question. They have given you A dot B equals to 0. So can I say A is perpendicular to B
Yes, sir.
and A dot C equals to 0? This means A is perpendicular to C also. Now what they have asked, this thing, A cross B minus A cross C mod. So I can take A vector common. This is B minus C. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now A is perpendicular to both B and C. So can I say the angle between B minus C and A will be 90 degree?
Yes.
And mod A is given as unit vectors. So mod A is 1. So this whole is equals to B minus C. Now we have to find B minus C mod. So let's square this. So this will be mod B square plus mod C square minus 2 B dot C. So mod B square is 1 plus mod C square is 1 minus 2 dot 1 dot 1. B dot C angle is given as pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 is
1/2.
1 by 2. So this is 1. So B minus C is also 1. This is the answer. All clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So scalar triple product, cross product, properties. I hope everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. No doubts, anyone? So vectors, just be calm and careful. You'll get all the questions. All right. Being calm is the key in this chapter. Do not get worried.